Let's start with this guy.
Okay, so this guy is the strongman smoothie. And yeah, I think we have some of the ingredients here. As a protein source, you have soy milk.
Oh, yummy.
And then we have peanut butter. So with the peanut butter, it's the same thing. It's 25 grams of protein per 100 grams. That's like you just putting a steak in it as protein goes. And then we have bananas for energy. Is it good?
Really good.
That's the most important part.
This is like
Is it good?
going to the malt shop, but
It is.
Let me see.
But Patrick, I mean, is that the key that as far as protein, in your case, and most of us, we want to make smoothies and want to cut back on meat, that we should add some protein in the form of powders?
You don't have to do that. So I'm using protein powders just because it's more practical, and because when I'm competing, I have up to 7,000 calories a day. Wow. So that's a whole lot of stuff to eat. And if you have all of that in solid form, you're just basically eating the whole day. So like you're having 7 meals, and then one meal, you know, if you have 30 minutes per meal, that's 3.5 hours of eating. So I don't want to do that.
And I have to tell everyone that if you haven't had a healthy shake in a while, a truly healthy shake, try this.
Oh my goodness.
Absolutely
really good
ridiculous.
wonderful.
Yeah.
All right, so what's going on here with this scramble?
It's something that is easy to do. It just takes probably 10 to 15 minutes in the kitchen, and we have cauliflower in it. We have tofu in it. We have
onion.
We have onion as spices. We have pepper and curry or turmeric and I think just salt. And again, it gives you tons of protein. You can just basically do anything with it that you could do with something that is, animal protein based.
One of the reasons why I love that you're promoting this style of eating is because here you are, you're quite frankly huge, you're incredibly strong. But one of the most important things for anyone like yourself who's lifting a lot of weights is you need all of these anti-inflammatory compounds. And as I'm looking at these, the turmeric over there and all these foods, they help your body repair. What do you say to kids? What do you say to kids who
eat your beans?
Eat your beans?
Yeah. So because I mean, I will tell them, if you want protein and if you want to get strong, just eat your beans. That's what I do.
All I would say to add to this comment is, if anyone out there worries about the cost of eating healthy, you can buy a boatload of beans and soak them and make them overnight, and you have enough beans for the week. And they're affordable. They're so healthy. If you make no other change, even if just literally starting once a week, you replace a meat meal with beans, and then maybe you go from there. You know what? You may not end up as strong as Patrick, but you can still be a strong man or woman. You can catch Patrick in the hit documentary, The Game Changers. It's on Netflix now. And before you go, all right, I watched you in this movie.
Okay.
You are strong. And I happened to see something over here that you brought with you.
We brought a yoke.
Okay.
So let me show. Okay, so this is something that we have in the film. It's called a yoke, and this is something that I did a world record with in 2013. I think if we have a few people who want to do it? Okay. We're not going to talk about the weight that is now on the yoke, but I would say just, is everyone stable? Yeah, can we go? Okay, then let's just go for a travel. Yeah. That's it. Yeah! Thank you! Okay. Thank you so much.
No, I'm not doing it.
It was very light.
I can't even.
It's probably too low. You should probably, you're much taller than I am.
I'm sure that's it, Patrick. Real pleasure having you on. Keep up the great work. Thank you all so much.